guys, yes, it's Petrus and Pardette with your morning beach video. Pardette's complaining she's not the star this morning. Wil jy bietjie gaan swem? Gaan swem. Daar's hy. Gaan swem vir papa. Swem. Daar's hy. Gaan. Kom Pardette. Nee, kom. Swem. Daar's hy. Only interested in Kylan. They've got some sort of a love affair. We've eventually got sunrise. Beautiful morning. Pardette doesn't like us being on this sandbank. I don't blame her. But we must make a video for you guys. Look at the water rushing out at the estuary mouth. And there will be people claiming that this is closing. And I will keep on disagreeing with them. Purely by the sheer volume of water that is entering the ocean over here. The hippos just went under the water here now, So they're back here, but they don't want to show themselves for a video or a photo. Today's video is exceptionally short because me and Pardette, well, I forced Pardette to bum a ride home, and as I picked on the back of the van, she got stuck into a hook on her foot, so we didn't make it. So how did Daddy fix the foot, Pardette? How's your foot feeling? Pardette, hello? I OD'd her on protein, normal meat, and disinfected the scar with some peroxide, sorry. So yeah, I'm not a favorite daddy today.